Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Physics problems like this are fast if you track the direction. We need to find the signs for work and kinetic energy change right now. First, look at the motion. The block moves from 1 meter back to 0, meaning the displacement is to the left. This direction is crucial for determining our final signs today. Next, check the graph for the force. The net force values are all positive, which means the hand is pushing to the right. This opposes the leftward motion of the block. Since force and displacement are opposite, work is negative. The work energy theorem then proves kinetic energy must also decrease. That makes option D our winner. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs carefully and trust given data to avoid a rush. Option D is correct.